So this don't happen that often, but I've got all these little pieces of tape here because this accent wall, as I'm painting it, right here is where I started, because they go different directions, and I'm actually waiting on a delivery to show up right now. I've been pulled off of this a couple of different times. My whole point is I don't want to lose where I'm at, because this was already a dark gray, and I am coming through. If all this wasn't here and I was away from this for long enough, it might be hard to see as to where I'm at, or easily skip over one of these panels just by cutting in and rolling. So as you can see, I've already done the first two here, and every time I get ready to go a different direction, I just pick off that little piece of tape and concentrate on that one section and then keep moving. That way, at a glance, I don't miss anything by mistake. Yep, see, that's what I was saying. I knew that delivery was going to come in before I got done. I was almost finished, but I've been gone now for probably 20 minutes. It's still wet through here, but see, at a glance, I've got those two remaining. It just made life easy, because our luck, I could have been gone for an hour and all this would have been dry, and it is with the same color, different lighting. It's really hard to see, where you're at, or a possible skip over one. So not many times we got to do that, but when we do, makes it handy. See, look, now that it's done, look at the difference. See, that sheen just gleams the whole way. No cut versus roll, none of that. So all that looks really, really good now. There's that wall from the other day. And then we finally got our little took care of our little holes over here. We had a big hole up here somewhere, and one right where those wires are coming out, and then went ahead and did the entire wall, cut and roll. And then those are the little customers can end up cutting those, putting them on their little ends, and that is for their internet stuff and things like that. Okay, this was the rest of it. So we since got all this in the hallway as well. And today we were wrapping up. Remember, we were waiting on this cabinet, so it finally came in. Installed that today, put the handles on, and finished that last little piece there and this wrap around right here. So moving on in, I'd gotten all this painted as well. And what I really wanted to show you, along with painting those two over there, that's all I did in here. Like the ceiling, none of that was on us to do. But I want to show you this wall right here, and right out the gate, because anybody who's looking, I just want you to be aware, it's a bad time of day to show you. Natural light coming in and all those little panes right there. That is exactly what you're seeing in the wall. So try to look past that. This is what I really want to show you. There you go. You can see them right there. That's from the window panes. What I want to show you though is when I started this wall right here, as this wall went out off this edge, it actually kind of smiled here in between those two studs. Took a lot of floating and filling to get this wall to come back right, but there it is, look. So that's a real pretty flat wall now. Customers and everything loved it. But that's it, you guys. Believe it or not, Tom's gonna be back here really soon. And tomorrow we're actually going to be, I'm sorry, Friday, I'm going to be taking that cypress slab to the planer and getting that wrapped up. Just some other things had come up, and we had the truck and needed the truck in other places. Trailer was somewhere else. Anyway, long story short, we're going to be going out and seeing Joel, our buddy, and get that cypress slab planed and everything coming up this Friday. So y'all tune in for that too. And until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.